we have been looking at differentiation. And today we have a beautiful question on the board. Let's get it done. The question says, if y is equal to the length of root phi, find the y phi. So it means that we are differentiating y with respect to what? T, right? So we go ahead. Solution. Y is equal to the length of T1/2. Now remember, the square root here, the square root there, the same as half. That is why when you have two exponents or two squares, they say that if you want to remove the square both sides. You square this and the square will cancel that. Or you do like this, square. Why? It is because of this. It is because of two exponents, 1/2. You square it, this one will cancel this. It goes away. So it means the square root can be written as 1/2. Now, in differentiating of length, the differential of length of x, differentiation of length respect to x is equal to 1/x. What it means is that differentiate what is inside the bracket over the what is there. So it means that it is going to be equal to differential of x is 1/x. But I think we apply the same thing here. Differentiate what is in the function over the same thing. So I'm going to now have my dy dx equal to, differentiate this. I will have 1/2, that's from the general principle, times T1/2 minus 1. I'm differentiating the top. Now over the whole thing again. So differentiate what is inside over what is inside. That is differentiation of the length. That is the function you have to apply. That is the rule you have to apply. And this is going to be equal to 1/2 t exponent -1/2. 1/2 minus 1 is -1/2. And this is still divided by what? This function. Okay? Now remember, from the laws of indices, -1/2 can be written as 1/t exponent 1/2. This can be written as this. So therefore, I can have my 1/2 multiplied by 1/t exponent 1/2, and this all divided by t exponent 1/2. We have just changed this. Multiply it straight away. I'm taking this step, if not, I'm going to do everything from here. But look at the step by step, because it's a fraction. So this times that will give me 1/2 times t 1/2 all over t 1/2. Now we can reciprocate this. So we have just rewritten this in this form. Remember, this is what is transformed into this one transformed with this. So 1 times 1 and 2 times that. Then we have this function. Now we want to break the whole fraction down. So this is going to 1/2 t exponent 1/2 multiplied by 1/t 1/2. We are just breaking it down. If you take this, multiply by 1, you are coming up, and this one still coming down. We have not done anything, we are just separating them, so we can easily do the multiplication. So this is going to be equal to 1 times 1 is 1, all over 2, then t times that, you add the exponents. So we have t 1/2 plus 1/2, and this is going to give you 1. Hence, my y dx is going to be equal to 1/2t as the final answer. Note that if I had taken this, change this to the square root from here, I have 1/2 square root of t. This is the square root of t. And this 2, 1/square root of t square root of t times square root of t will give you 1t. Right? Because the two of them will give you 1 over 2 square root of t squared. Well, there are 2, it is squared. And the squared comes to the squared, leaving only 1t. And so you come back to get the same thing. Simple as that. Please don't forget to leave a subscribe, share. Bless somebody with this video, right? And if you are confused about anything here, put in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.